Good morning. In our last lesson, we learned about flowering plants. We studied the various types of flowering plants and then importance of flowers to plants. Today, we'll be learning about parts of a flower. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to define a flower, draw and label the flower, state functions of 4 parts of the flower. Let's look at the definition of a flower. A flower is a reproductive organ of a plant which is made up of male and female parts. Let's look at this video.
Parts of a flower. The flower is a reproductive organ of a plant. Though flowers are of different shapes, sizes, and colors, most flowers have the same basic parts. Let us get familiar with the parts of a flower. The main parts of a flower are pedicel and thalamus, the leaf-like calyx or sepals, the attractively colored corolla or petal, the androecium or stamen, and the gynoecium or pistil. The flower is borne on a stalk called the pedicel. The uppermost part of the pedicel is swollen. This is called the thalamus. The stamen, which is the male part of the plant, consists of the filament and a 2-lobed head called the anther. The anther has pollen grains that take part in reproduction. The female part of the plant is made up of the stigma, which is the terminal part of the pistil, the thread-like structure called style, and basal swollen part called the ovary. The ovary has ovules which contain the female reproductive cells called ova.
I believe you have enjoyed the video on the parts of the flower. Now, take a look at this image showing the various parts of a flower. Here we have petal, which is a brightly colored part of the flower. We have stigma, style, ovary. These 3 together form what we call carpel. We have ovule, receptacle, sepal. We have anther and filament. The anther and filament together form the stamen. We have the pollen grain. The pollen grain, which is the component of the anther. These are the parts of the flower listed here. The stamen consists of anther and filament. Carpel is also called pistil. The carpel is made up of stigma, style, and ovary. We have sepals, petals, receptacle, and peduncle. These parts of the flower have been classified into two major groups. They are male part of the flower and then female part of the flower. The male part of the flower is called stamen, which is made up of anther and filament. The female part of the flower is called carpel or pistil. The carpel is made up of stigma, style, ovary, and ovals. Now, let's take a look at the functions of some parts of the flower. Stigma. It consists the female sex cell of a flower. Anther. It contains the male sex cell of the flower. Filament. It supports the anther. Petal. It attracts insects to the flower for pollination. Receptacle. It is the flower stalk where the floral part originates. Style. It supports the stigma. These are the few parts of the flower with their functions. Take these few words and try your hands on them. 1. Draw and label a flower. 2. State the functions of 4 parts of a flower. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson for today. Thank you and enjoy your weekend. God bless you.